go, baby. That view, man, it's beautiful. It's a little chilly today, 52 degrees, but layered up again. 2 pairs of pants, 2 pairs of socks. Got the motorcycle jacket. You got a sweatshirt on, a sweater on, and a tank top. So I'm all layered up, so we're good. Feels so good to be back on this thing. Been about a week. I hope you guys are feeling good. I'm feeling good. Stay focused. Get these twisties in. After my crash, every time I ride the twisties, I'm just like telling myself, stay focused, stay focused. Because it's not like driving. Driving, you do it every day, and you could be half asleep driving, but riding a motorcycle, you can't do it. You gotta stay focused. Dangerous sport, it really is, so gotta really ride safe. If you're not focused, you can really get into an accident. And that's how I got into my accident. Wasn't focused. All I thought about was going fast. Out here trying to have fun. Don't go too crazy, just a little crazy. Oh hell no, got a truck out there. I'm gonna let this truck get ahead a little bit, because I do not want to get stuck behind that truck. So I'll just stop here for a second, as I would catch up to that truck really quick. Damn, got like a Ducati out there. Sounds like it. All right, baby, let's go. Hopefully that truck got far ahead enough. Tight turn. Oh, there's the truck pulled over. Nice. focused. Look through the turns. Hopefully no cars are out here. That was nice. Run that back again. Turn around. Roads are not bad today. Get a little leaves, but it's not bad. Man. See, that's what I'm scared of, these cars. Since the street's so narrow, they take up both lanes. Be careful with these blind turns. Man, you hear those pops? Crazy, bro. This bike sounds so good. I feel so good on this bike. Whoa, shit, hit something. Ran over a rock or something. Got that tight turn. Truck's still over there. Sometimes a cop likes to hang out right here, so you gotta be careful. Nope. warm except for my hands. These are ventilated gloves, so my hands are freezing right now. Gotta get some like nitrile gloves and put them underneath. If you guys are ever in Jersey, check out Lake Denmark Road. Such a nice little twisty road. Yeah! So good to be on the bike. Realized that my helmet's not buttoned up. This bike is so good. If you guys are looking for a second bike to upgrade to, ZX6R, man. Can't go wrong. This bike is so good. Let's just pull over really quick, tighten up the helmet. Get a picture too. If you guys aren't following me on Instagram, you guys do that too. Put my username on the screen. Let's take a pic. I'm all about the angles, baby. Boom. Make sure no one's coming.